guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
I'm here for that.
Oh, what is that?
450.
That was gonna be his race car before showing up. He's gonna make that one all gnarly, but.
Oh yeah?
Your bike's faster?
Where's he at?
Over there.
He
Why
walked
didn't you give him
off.
a ride back?
Huh?
Why didn't you give him a ride back?
I should have.
Saying that's two-seater.
I should have gave you a ride back. Yeah, bro, we could have nut the butted it.
Guys ready for another two-step battle?
We're here at Kyle's house and we're gonna be rotary swapping that thing. We're about to reboot to drive around. We're gonna leave it down here. We're gonna get these V-banded. We are Florida, David.
We're doing today, right now. They were going to put this together and bring it to us, but they ended up just bringing it down here in parts, and we're gonna assemble it right here.
I think it'll be a better experience so you guys can like actually see it and know how it works and how it's put together. We already built the rotors, so everything's like already side clearance. These are actually aviation ones.
Airplanes and stuff.
Yeah,
so
this
they need
is
to
like
be reliable.
So you don't want to
Helicopters.
die when you're flying in an airplane. So these are like super hard. These don't break.
Super hard.
Yeah,
Won't
super
break.
hard. You know, nobody likes soft seals. So you know, we got the hardest ones there is on the market. And everything else is OEM. Apex seals, we don't want to use OEM ones because, you know, the abuse that we put it through. You know, we'd rather have a hard seal than a soft one. You know, if any detonation happens or anything like that, nothing. Yeah.
And we were
Here it is
laughing
again.
already. He's over there playing with Mochi.
Welcome to the conversation, Don.
5 minutes later. But this whole motor is from a 93 RX-7 casting over here in the dowel area. Because this is an oil passage from front to back. It's an oil passage through here. And what happens is on the high horsepower ones, they crack right here and you have oil leaking. So that's like the weakest point of the block. But on these, they're so thick, it's got so much material that these don't break. So we're sending all the boost to this one.
How much power would this be good for if we wanted to put a big
So-
turbo on it and send it?
Given that it's semi-peripheral right now, the minimum horsepower rating is going to be 500.
Damn.
So
What could we crank it to if we really wanted to? I don't know how much power we want to make in this thing.
even though the engine's capable of like 750 horsepower or 800, it needs the turbo to do it.
Yeah.
So you got to choose. Like if you put a bigger one, it will make the high horsepower, but it's not going to be like good for like burnouts and stuff like that.
The
If you-
drivability and down
you know,
low.
if you put a small turbo, you'll be in the 500 range. You know, you'll be able to do the nice burnouts. Or, you know, if you put a small turbo, you can
What
take
about
the
towing
jet skis
jet
out.
skis?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can take
With
the
a-
jet skis, we're
Yeah,
good.
with
That's
a
all
small
we need.
turbo, you can take
You
a
gotta
do
watch
a-
out, 'cause you might flip the trailer like our friend did.
How about
Flip the
rolling
trailer?
burnouts with
Yeah,
jet
it was
skis?
going like
Yeah.
70 into highway, flipped the trailer with the jet skis in it.
Oh, yeah,
Let's try not to do that. I mean, if we can do like a fat rolling burnout towing the jet skis, that'd be cool.
make someone drop this. Obviously, John doesn't need help.
Rob does like his Valvoline.
Yeah, he does. So
We're gonna hold my cannon full for it. If it messes
yeah,
up,
if it
it's
don't
him.
work, it's his fault. You know, you never want to go in with a dry stick.
You can't have the engine build videos without the
Nah,
terminology.
so you know that Dorito stick can't go in dry, and we have to make sure we spit on it a couple times before going in. So.
Oh, she's making compression.
So now that Kyle tightened the whole engine up, we gotta set the backlash. It's the up and down or motion of the shaft. This whole video, bro, the jokes have been on point. So you want it between 2 and 4. You don't want it too tight because when you have heat expansion, it'll pinch these needle bearings, and you don't want it too loose to where the needle bearings fall out. Every time you press the clutch in, it's gonna push it forward. So right now it's at 0. It's like a little over 2. So that's like perfect. So it's supposed to be between 2 and 4. It's like spec. Alright, so that's it. Fully built. As you guys can see, we were going for the Puerto Rican flags. That's what Kyle wanted. We just need to put a little star right here.
Yeah, dude, it looks sick.
And that'll set it up right.
Looks just like the Puerto Rican flag. Looks so good. I'm excited. Be our first rotary build.
So right now it's like a couple days away from doing burnouts, but first we gotta get the parts. So that's gonna
Maybe
take
a couple days worth of work, but
yeah. So
it still might be a couple months worth of gathering and planning it.
So engine wise is fully built, everything good. We're just gonna hang out, get some food, and just have fun in Florida. And take the Repo out.
Oh yeah. I mean, if
Do
you
we
want
like
to
Taco
go
Bell?
play with the NSX a little bit, let me know.
Is that a call out?
Not a call out, just have a little fun.
I'm filming you. I'm filming you.
I'm not giving you permission.
It's going on YouTube.
Not-
I'm filming you.
I'm not giving you permission to
You don't
post
have my
myself on
consent.
Facebook.
You don't have my consent.
You could not
I'm
post myself
calling
on Facebook.
the CEO of the world on you.
So, damn, man, those Swiss teeth are catching up to you.
You ain't wrong.
From this side, this angle right here.
That's the shot.
It's the same as laying like this and taking a picture like that while you hold it.
Okay, makes sense.
Bigger.
Well, it's just about over John shit today, so.
Not over everybody's shit. I'm about to leave, bro.
Hey, I'm happy. Look at this. Never seen a happier dude. The shot right
That's
there.
like, man, you need to send that to your mom to put on the fridge.
We need that framed.
That should be another poster idea right there.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
me with Mochi
Yep.
and a rotary.
Mochi and the rotary.
Yeah, we'll post them up.
Yes.
But yeah, the engine's all together. The only thing we have to figure out is, well, we already did, just the oil pan.
Mm-hmm.
So now that we looked at the car and we see the setup on the front end, since it's independent, we can actually put the factory oil pan on.
Yeah, it looks like it should go in there pretty easy. So when the time comes, which isn't right now, we'll rip that out and get all this stuff put in there. But we still have to get the
Easy, bro. Like this
Nah, it's
AC pump
out.
is super easy to put back in that engine.
the AC pump.
Yeah.
I don't think it works.
That would be ideal.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
for
That would be cool, but
20 AC.
it did work a little bit. Yeah, it got kind of cold.
How little it is, Mike?
I mean, we could
Oh
try.
yeah, yeah, you can put it on.
Dude, still have the AC with the rotary sidekick.